Start trading in Forex. Equities and Forex are both traded in the same way. You can start trading Forex by following these steps. First, learn about Forex. Forex trading is not complicated, but it does require specialized knowledge. For example, Forex traders have the greater leverage ratio than equity traders, and different factors drive currency's price movement. Second, set up a brokerage account. To begin trading Forex, you will need a brokerage account. Brokers don't exchange commissions on Forex transactions. Rather than making money through the exchange rates, they make money by changing spreads. Micro-Forex trading accounts with low capital requirements are a good idea for beginners. By using a Micro-Forex account, you will be able to determine your trading style and gain more experience with Forex trading. Third, develop a trading strategy. Trading strategies will help you set clear guidelines and a roadmap for trading. Even if you can't always predict and time market movements, you should develop your trading strategy according to your financial and personal situation. Fourth, always be on top of your numbers. After you begin trading, make sure you check your positions in the end of each day. Traders are automatically recorded by most trading software on daily basis. And last but the not least, cultivate emotional equilibrium. Trading Forex as a beginner can be an emotional roller coaster ride. Trading positions should not get you carried away, and you should maintain emotional equilibrium despite wins or losses.